How to add effects in OpenShot. Want to make your videos more dynamic? Let's add effects in OpenShot and give your clips a pro touch. Start by importing your video and dragging it into the timeline. Then go to Effects tab usually find in the Project Files panel. If you don't see it, click View, then tap on Advanced View to enable it. From the list, choose an effect like brightness, contrast, blur, chroma key, and more. Drag the desired effect and drop it directly onto the clip in the timeline. Now right-click on your clip, go to Properties and you'll see all effect settings listed. Adjust the values like brightness levels or blur strength depending on the effect. Want to stack effects? Just drag multiple ones onto the same clip and fine-tune each in Properties. What's your favorite effect to use? Slow blur, color shift, or something wild? Tell me in the comments below. Once you are happy, preview the changes and export the video with those polished visuals. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.